Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, Hunt Mechanical Ventilation Solutions. I'm an HVAC contractor. My van's in the shop right now, so I cleaned it out. I'm kind of going through tool bags and just redoing some stuff. Just want to do a tool loadout, get some content on my page. As you can see, this is going to be a process. But anyway, we'll jump into my daily service bag. It is the Husky 3-pocket pouch. I've really liked it. It's got a lot of room. You can keep things well organized. Well, here we go with the loadout. Klein HVAC 8-in-1. Great tool. Milwaukee insulated. Commercial electric, number 2 Robbie. Stanley thermostat screwdriver. Quinn insulated linesman, needle nose somewhere. Here we go. And the dikes. Klein strippers. Klein needle nose. Klein quarter, 5/16, 3/8. Milwaukee pump pliers. Klein crampers. Tolson 1/4-inch flat. Klein adjustable. Fuse puller. Milwaukee snips. Milwaukee duck knife. Milwaukee beater driver. It's actually the ductwork one, and I really like this. It's a great tool. Got a Klein hex wrench, mini hammer, cheap pig tool for fishing thermostat wires and whatnot. Got the Milwaukee Coast pin light, DeWalt punch. Just never know we're gonna need one of those. Malco 5/16, 1/4-inch. Malco extension 6-inch. Inspection mirror. Magnet. Got the Chameleon Self-Lock 16 footer. Great little tape, super light. It's actually about 2 years old. Really durable. I think it was like $6, so money well spent. Clown tick tester. And as you can see, gas tape, white tape for marking, electrical tape. Meter. I'll do another video about meters. I got quite a few meters actually. A couple of pins. Husky wrenches. They get 4 wrenches in one. 10, 13, 12, and 8 millimeter. 5/16, 7/16, 3/8, ½ inch. The Imperial electrician's level. Reamer. Little Larry. Field piece thermometer. I'm trying to rush through this, guys, and go less than 10 minutes. Hide painter's tool. Great freaking tool. There's a million uses for these things. Stanley. Like the maintenance man. Y'all check out his channel. Great videos, great content. I'm a Stanley tool fan. I grew up watching my dad and my grandfather use Stanley tools. They're actually really good tools. I'm not saying that about all of them, but for the most part, they're definitely worth the money. But this is the like all-in-one socket, and I thought it was a little gimmicky at first, and it's just amazing how much I've actually used it. But again, great tool. Stanley adjustable. Vice grip mini pump pliers. Field piece service wrench. Wire labels. Brush. Some jumpers. Some zip ties. Husky PVC cutter. Goodie box. Service valve. Some fuses. Just stay-cons. Your everyday service repair stuff. Steve Lav condensate brush. Use the crap out of it. This is let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's just a little kit. It's got some extra blades, some extra bits in it. Little odds and ends. And then on this side, Schrader core driver, little thermostat driver, emery board. If you know what these are and you don't have them, you need to get them. Schrader core removal tool. This has been a really good one. It's one of the cheaper ones you can get, but it does what it needs to do. Rigid copper cutter, best copper cutters in the game. Another adapter for service tool. Tweezers. Set of mini brushes. Dentist pick. Very, very, very handy. But that's it, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll have some more videos to come in the future. Leave something in the comments if you see something that I need, something I could get rid of. Just let me know. All right, guys.